Okay, guys, my dear students, first of all, good morning to everybody. Today, discuss about that exponent powers part 3. As previous sessions, I have completed that laws of exponents and work out the sums. In this case, in this session, discuss about that application of that standard form of the numbers. It's very, very important. First, I read that one heading on the blackboard. Application of exponents to express numbers in the standard form. In the standard form. Yes, the exponent powers, this is the last topic. Explication of the exponents to express the number in the standard form. Very, very important. Very, very important. This definitely in this area given the one question according that SA1, SA2, SA3 examination. And other classes also this one is very, very important. How to write that biggest number, write in the simple form to use that only exponent and powers. How to write that numbers in the simple form, first in this one. Now I write that some examples, see on the blackboard. The first one, diameter of the sun. First example 1, diameter of the sun is equal to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one, diameter of the earth 1275000. Guys, observe these two numbers. It is very biggest numbers. Diameter of the sun is equal to, this one is given in the, suppose this one is a meters or meters. 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros are there. This is the largest number in the short form. See what the heading, application of the exponents to express the numbers in the standard form. In the standard form, that's most important. First this one number, how to write the smallest number. See, 14 is a number, you bring out that number. After how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Simply you write into symbol and 10 to the power of 8 meters. Okay, is it clear? 14 bring down, number don't change it. Just this is a, how many zeros are there, you check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers is taken. That means 10 to the power of 8. Doubt? See, 100. 100. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. That's simply write 10 square. 10 square or 100 both are same. 1000. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. That's when you write 10 cube. 10,000. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros are there. How do you write that one? 10 power of 4. So, how many zeros are there? That's when you write the power. That number you write the power. So, to the base 10. So, 10 to the power of 4. Here 10 cube, 10 square. Okay, come to the point. This one 14 into 10 to the power of 8. So, the exponent, the number, express the number in the exponent. But it's not a standard form. Standard form means just you write that one number in integral part, remaining other numbers are in the decimal part. Okay, that's why I am right here. See, 14 by 10. 10 is exist. 10 power of 8 into 10. Guys, observe. Here the 110 is multiplication, 110 is divisible. That means now I am create the two tens. One is the numerator is adjust, another one is the denominator is adjust. If you need doubt, your two are cancelled, you get that same number. Come back the same number. See here, the 14 by 10 means how many zeros are there in the denominator? 1 0. That's why you write 1.4. Simply logic 1.4 into 10 power, here 1, here 10 power 8. Simply you write 10 power of 8 plus 1. So 1.4 into 10 power of 9 meters. It is a standard form. Here the diameter of the sun is given the largest number in the meters. I write that in the standard form using the exponent powers 1.4 into 10 power of 9 meters. Okay guys, now this one, diameter of the earth is equal to 1275000 meters. This large number I write that first short form. How many zeros are there here? First 4 zeros are. Guys, you see 4 zeros number, you write the 10 power of 4. So you bring down this number 1275 into 10 power of 4. Guys, it's not a standard form. It is the exponent forms, but it's not a standard form. How it's identifies the standard form is a integral part number. You know the one, I write that one number of in this side 2.5. This 2.5 to 2 is called a integral part. Actually, it's a decimal number. This decimal number, the 2.5, this one is called a integral part. 0.5 is called a decimal part. 0.5 is called a decimal part. In the standard form, you write that integral part has set the arrangement only one number. See here, 1275. How to write that one? Simply 1000 into 10 power of 4 into 1000. Why? Guys, integral part you have only one number arrangement. Here after 3 numbers are there, leave it this, suppose just leave it 2, 5, 7, 5, 3 numbers are there. That's why divisible by 1000. Here one new number is formed. How to cancel that one? Immediately write that 1000, the same number in that numerator. Once you check it, this 1000 is cancelled. You become the same number. That's the same number. Now see, right. So this 1000 is cancelled, this one. Directly write 1.275. How do you know 1000? How many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. That's why after 3 numbers you write that 1 point into 10 power of 4 into 1000 means 10 cube. So 1.275 into, yes, you apply a power of m into a power of n formula, a power of m plus n. So 10 power of 4 plus 3. So 1.275 into 10 power of 7 meters. It is a standard form. It is a standard form. Right. S. Express the following numbers in the form, in the usual form. The first question, 4.67 into 10 power of 4. Second question, 1.0001 into 10 power of 9. Third question, 3.02 into 10 power of minus 6. Okay, see, already here given the standard numbers, standard form numbers. How do you know? Yes, one integral number is there, this is a decimal number, this is exponent numbers. This is a standard form exponent numbers. This one you write that general forms. How? Simply say 4.67 into 10 power 4 means you write that one 10,000. 4 zeros you write. The 4 zeros, here two numbers, one decimal is there. That's why 4670000. Two numbers after decimal is there, the decimal put here. So after point after decimal zeros are no values. 46700. The sum is over. Guys, see this one, 1.001 into 10 power of 9. What is the meaning of 10 power of 9? You write the 1 after 9 zeros. 1.001 into 1 into, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, finish. But here the three numbers after decimal is there. So 1, 0, 0, 1. Write the 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why? Because first this number 1 is multiplication this. 1 into this one, 1, 0, 0, 1. After 1, how many zeros are there? 9 zeros. The 9 zeros are set here. Wait, here actually it is a decimal number. In this decimal, 3 numbers after 1 decimal is there. That's why in the left to right, 3 after you write that 1 point. After decimal, 3 zeros are no values. So 1001, the sum is 4. Come this one, 3.02 into 10 power of minus 6, guys. This is a 10 power of minus 6. How to write this one? How to express this one? See guys, please, 10 power of minus 6 means 3.02 10 power of 6. Why? You apply that one law, a power of minus n is equal to 1 by a power of n. 1 by a power of n. The same logic apply here. 3.02 by 10 power of 6. See, 3.02 by, this one you write 6 zeros. Why? Here power is 6. That's why you write that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Guys, in this denominator 6 zeros are there. That's why this point is moved left to right after 6 numbers. That means 0.00000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 0, 2. Once again, this is a 6 zeros are there. In the denominator, how many zeros are there? 6 zeros are there. That's why this point is moved left to right after 6 digits. Right? That's 1, 0. First I write this number 302. 302. See here, this decimal is sent this side after 6 digits. That's one I write 0.0000003. Count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number after you write that decimal. This is a exponent form. Now I write the one sum on the blackboard. Right. Very easy sum this one. The mass of the earth is 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kgs. and the mass of the moon is 7.35 into 10 to the power 22 kgs. What is their total mass? Total mass. Okay, solution. So, the mass of Earth is 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kgs is given. The mass of moon is 7.35 into 10 to the power 22 kgs. So, what is their total mass? Guys, here given the standard form. These are should be add, you get the total mass. First you write what is the given the data. Given the mass of Earth is equal to 5.97 into 10 to the power of 24 kgs. The mass of the moon is equal to 7.35 into 10 to the power 22 kgs. You want total mass, therefore total mass is equal to, so what is the first one? 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 plus, put in the bracket, 7.35 into 10 to the power 22, put in the another bracket. Guys, in this first bracket term is standard form, second one bracket term is also standard form, but here 10 to the power of 24 is there, here 10 to the power of 22 is there. So these 10 power terms are different. First I should be change that one. How? See, simple method, 5.97 into 10 square into 10 to the power 22, any problem? You know that a power of m plus n formula, a power of m into a power of n, you know that's one formula. So that's why I write this one 10 square into 10 to the power of 22. Why I can write this one? Here 10 to the power of 22 is there, that's why here write the 10 to the power of 22 plus 7.35 into 10 to the power of 22, put in the brackets. Now 5.97 into 10 square means 100 into 10 to the power of 22, put in the bracket, plus 7.35 into 10 to the power of 22. 100 means 100, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. That's why this point is removed directly. Why? Because here the two numbers after one decimal is there. That's why this is a remove. What remaining here? 597 into 10 power of 22 plus 7.35 into 10 power of 22. Guys, you are observe 10 power of 22 number have the same in the both term, should be common, that's 2. What remaining here? See, in this first term 597 is remaining, plus in the second term 7.35 is remaining into 10 power of 22. So now 597.00 7.35 add. This is not a decimal number. That's why I write that 597.00. This is a decimal number 7.35. So add 5, 3, 14, 1, 10, 1, 6. 606.35 into 10 to the power of 22. So guys, here it's not a standard form. Actually it is a total mass is there, but it's not a standard form. When you write the standard form, this one again, this one 6.0435 into 10 to the power of 22 into, wait, I write the one more step here, that's better, but little bit confused here there. See, 604.35 by 1 after decimal you are arrangement in the right hand side. So 10 square 100 into 10 power of 22 into 10 square. That's why the how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. This point is move 2 numbers left to right. 6.0435 into 10 power of, already when you write the decimal 6.042, the same situation the hundreds is missing, into 10 power of 22 into 2, 22 plus 2, sorry, 22 plus 2, 6.0435 into 10 power of 24 kgs. This is the total mass of Earth and Moon. Okay guys, now okay, right. Question: express the following numbers in the standard form. Standard form. Express the following numbers in the standard form. The first one is a 0.000 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 947. The second one is a 543 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. Third question is a 483 00000. Fourth one is a 0.0000928. Fifth one is a 0.0000529. Okay. Guys, see, express the following in the standard form. Here this one number is there, but it is a decimal number. 947 0.0, this one is totally decimal part. This situation how to write in the standard form. Simple one logic is there. First, what the number here? 947 by. So how many numbers here there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 10 power of 12. Why you can write the 10 power of 12 in the denominator? After 12 numbers, one decimal is there. That's why I write the 10 power of 12. So that's why this one you write 947 into 10 power of 12, 1 by a power of n formula, a power of minus n. So that's why 10 power of minus 2, minus 12. But it's not a standard form. How do you write the standard form? After two number, you write that one decimal. How? That means 947 by 100 into 10 power of minus 12 into 100. Is it clear? Why standard form means just your integral part have only one number is arrangement. In this integral part, three numbers are there. 947 is there. How to write the integral part only one number? Two numbers is more. That's why the denominator I write that 100. So in this step, new number is formed. How to cancel the new number? I write that 100 in the numerator. Okay. Now see, this 200 is there. That's why simply 9.47 into 10 power of minus 12 into 10 square. 9.47 into this one simplification, you get 10 power of 10 minus 12. That's over. Come this one, it's not a decimal number, it is a directly integral number. 543 something 00 is there. 543 into how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 power of 9. Guys, this weight is this number is changed in that exponent forms. It's no problem, but it's not a standard form. How to write the standard form? Already you know that one method. So here the number is 543. 5 whole is set in the integral part. After 2 more numbers is there. That's why I write 543 by 100 into 10 power of 9 into 10 power of 10, 100. So here this one 543, when you are divisible this 543 by 100, you get that 5.43 into 10 power of, this one is 9, 100 you write the 10 square, 2 plus 9 plus 2, 11. The sum is over. Next one, this is second one is over. Same this one same method. Check it. This answer 483. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 power of 5. Next one you write 4.83. Guys, guess it. 4.83. So 10 power of 5 into 10 power of 2. Directly do that's one. So 4.83 into 10 power of 7. Wait. Come this part. I do these two sums only. I do one sum. Other one is the homework. See, 0.00009298. Guys, it is a decimal number. Don't forget, this is not a decimal number. That situation directly number into how many zeros into that's one. But in the decimal numbers, here that what the decimal here, decimal number 9298 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 power of 8. Now come to this point, 10 power of 8, write that 9298 into, you apply this formula 1 by a power of n is equal to a power of minus n. That's why I write 10 power of minus 8. Sum is not verbal. You want standard form. Standard form means simply 3 numbers after write that one decimal. See, here decimal is not there, but I write the decimal in this place. That's why I write that 10 power of minus 8 into 10 power of cube. Why? 3 numbers you write that one decimal. That's why 10 cube you write here only. 9.298 into 10 power of minus 8 plus 3. 9.28 into 10 power of minus 5. This is the answer of this one. Remaining sum you do it at home. Okay guys. Okay guys. Once again remember that one. In this chapter mainly important formulas. Once repeat that formulas. First one, a power of m into a power of n is equal to a power of m plus n. The second one, a power of m by a power of n is equal to a power of m minus n. Here the m is greater than n, or 1 by a power of n minus m. The third one, a power of m whole power of n is equal to a power of mn. The fourth one, ab whole power of m is equal to a power of m into b power of n. Fifth one, a by b whole power of m is equal to a power of m by b power of m. Sixth one, a power of 0 is equal to 1. The seventh one, a power of minus n is equal to 1 by a power of n. Eighth one, a power of n is equal to 1 by a power of minus n. Here a is non-zero integer, and m and n are integers. Guys, these formulas are keep your mind. You do very well this chapter, all sums. Okay, thank you for watching video.